Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Crypto Chester. In today's video we are talking about Solana. Now Solana has obviously been coming down recently in the last few weeks, but in this video we're going to be discussing exactly where this thing is going, just a general update on the asset itself, and also how we can make some money trading this. Okay, so currently priced at $141. Come down very heavily since sitting and sailing at that 200 mark for quite some time here. So quite a heavy reduction in the price for this asset here. But as I said, in the last year, it's down 40%. In the last month, it's down 23%. In the last week, it's down 15%. And in the last day, it's up around 1%. So right now, what we're seeing for this asset, it's a bit of a recovery bounce, which is pretty good. Okay, it's pretty good to see this come up. But what we're really looking for here is these lower highs to get broken, which we will go into on the chart very shortly. Before we go into the chart to see where we can make some money and how this thing is trading here, let's talk quickly about the sponsor of today's video, Best Wallet. Now, Best Wallet is the best non-custodial crypto wallet that you guys can download. This supports 60 different chains, and they're just about to release a Visa debit card, basically meaning you can pay for your groceries and your day-to-day transactions here with your crypto wallet, with your stable coins directly from your phone. So a massive unique selling point there, and it's looking very cool. Mentioning some very big brands across the space here. And did I mention that you guys that they are in a pre-sale phase? $17 million have been raised so far. It is launching in literally 11 days time. So if you do want to get involved, now's your chance. You literally have 11 days until this thing is launching. So very excited about that as well. Now over to the Solana chart here, because as I said, things have got very interesting, breaking very strong levels of support, you could say, which have prevailed quite nicely in previous price action, but recently it has just been a dirty, filthy descent to the downside. Now the big question is, where's this thing going? How can we make some money trading this? So right now, as you can see, it's pretty overly extended to the downside here. It's just been crashing continuously. But with that being said, guys, normally we like pullbacks when this happens, okay? We like big pullbacks. So what we're really waiting on now is the reclamation here of this trend line to the downside here, which you can see has offered quite a lovely level of support, and also some heavy resistance to the downside as well there as well. So what we're really looking for now is that reclaim, that retest, and then that pump to the upside. That is going to happen at some point, guys. You can see the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement there as well. There is just a really nice clean gap here from this trend line up to the 21 EMA, worth just under around 7%. Okay, so a nice futures position associated with that, maybe a 10x. Obviously, you guys do your own research and your own financial advice there, but that's a pretty nice position. Okay, if it's executed correctly with the right market conditions. So that is sort of the update there on the daily. That's sort of the position I'm looking for. If you look at stochastic, pretty low here in terms of the high to the low, right? So basically room for growth. Money flows dump right the way down, so there is a bit of retraction there as well. And also you can see the momentum to the downside is at a low point as well. Okay, so basically this is everything is pointing to the upside. So when this thing does start to reverse, when Bitcoin starts to reverse as well, there's a 7% move on the cards for us to take advantage of. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Hopefully you found some value. Slap a little like on the video if you did, and don't forget to go download Best Wallet, completely free non-custodial wallet. And also, guys, if you did want to get involved with their pre-sale, now's your last chance. All the links in the description for that. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.